Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create a group on WeChat. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open WeChat on your phone. Then tap on plus from the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, tap on New Chat. From here you can select an existing group, or you can join a private group. To create a new group, select at least 2 contacts' names from the list. Then tap on Done. This will create your group chat. Anytime one of you messages the group, everyone else in the chat will receive a notification. Now tap on plus from the bottom right corner. From here you can send any media file, make voice or video calls, send location, go live, and many more. To get the group settings, tap the 3 dots from the top right corner. You can add or remove any group members from here. To give a name to this group, tap on Group Name. Enter the group name, and then tap on Done. Now go to Group QR Code. You can share this QR code to anyone to find the group easily. From here you can send any notice to the group. Then go to Manage Group. You can change invitation approval setting, or transfer ownership, or make anyone the group admin. There are some other options here like search chat history, mute notifications, my alias in group, change background, clear chat history, etc. If you want to delete and leave the group, you can do from here. So these are all the things you need to know about creating group on WeChat. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.